LG 3D laser level, designed for high-efficiency work, perfect for precision in construction, renovation, and professional projects. First, let's take a look at the rugged hard carry case. Made from high-strength materials, it offers 360 protection. Whether on-site or during transport, your device is safe and secure. The case includes several accessories such as rechargeable batteries, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual for easy setup and maintenance. The LG 3D features a powerful magnetic base that securely attaches to steel structures, metal walls, or any surface, ensuring every measurement is accurate. It handles even the toughest measuring tasks with ease. From complex construction environments to precise measurement tasks, the strong magnetic base keeps your tool stable, reducing the need for adjustments and significantly boosting work efficiency. The LG 3D comes with 2 batteries, each providing up to 10 hours of continuous use, ensuring you're never limited by battery life and can work efficiently all day long. Whether it's long construction hours or intricate measurements, you won't have to worry about running out of power. The LG 3D provides continuous energy, helping you complete every project without interruption. The LG 3D laser level, with its rugged carry case, powerful magnetic base, and long-lasting battery life, is perfectly suited for any work environment, boosting your work efficiency.